Hey guys, wanna know how to add device in Lorex? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to add your device on Lorex app. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. First up, download and install Lorex app and open it. And once that's done, just simply log in and fill in your credentials. And once you've logged in, just simply click on this plus icon right here to add your first device. Now here, there are various options you can add from Wi-Fi camera, doorbell, floodlight to sensor on. Or you can just simply scan the QR code right here. Allow the permissions and then just simply scan the QR code. And if you do not have the QR code, you can just select these options right here. And once you've done that, click on manually enter device ID. And here, simply click on the device ID and click next. And after that is done, you can just simply name your device and just click finish setup and save. And that's it. It's as simple as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.